Hi friends. Up to this we covered how to convert other types to int type. Now I am going to explain the conversion from other type to float type using float function. Okay. First int to float. I want to convert the int type to float. There is no restriction you can provide. Any int value is given in base. It is also no in any base is also no problem. We will get the float output. Let's check this one. I'm giving 100. 100.0, it is converted from int type to float type. And also I mentioned in any base also it will work, right? So let's check a equal to 0b1111. It is converted to float value. Even hexadecimal also we can give. X. Are you clear? Next, complex to float. In the last video, we covered int conversion, right? Complex to int is not possible. The same way, from complex to float is also not possible. We will get the same error message type error. Okay, I will show you that also. The same thing can't convert complex to float. So int and float conversion, you can't convert the complex function into int or float. Okay. The next thing is Boolean to float. It is also possible here because the same procedure int true is internally treated as a 1 and the false is internally treated as a 0. So we can happily use true and false also conversion. Are you clear? The final one is string to float. The same thing, same rule for the int conversion. Uh, this is internally string should contain either integral value or float value. In integer int function, we just need to contain integral value, but here integral value or float value, but only in the base 10 form. We can mention float equal a equal to I am giving 10.5. It will acceptable. Okay, but in I am giving in another form like hexadecimal means it will not accept. So string to write I will show you. String to float conversion, hexadecimal or binary it will not accept. It will show an error message convert could not convert string to float. Okay. Okay, here also I summarized the points for you for the float other type data type to float data type conversion. This is the summary. The purpose of float is to convert from other data type to float data type. The second one is int to float conversion is possible and there is no restriction. You can also accept all bases like binary or octal, hexadecimal. Complex to float conversion is not possible. It will show type error as like a same as in function. Bool to float conversion is possible. True is internally considered as 1. False is internally considered as 0. String to float conversion is also possible, but have here also have the same rules. The string internally contains only integral values or float values that should be specified in base 10 form. Okay. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and share to your friends.